In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a mic to Samsung phone. We'll focus on using a wireless or Bluetooth microphone to get the best audio experience possible. Let's get started. First, ensure your Bluetooth microphone or receiver is turned on. This is crucial as the device needs to be active to connect to your phone. Check the indicator light on the mic to confirm it's powered. If it's not on, give it a quick press or hold the power button until it lights up. With the mic powered, you're ready for the next step. Now, open your Samsung phone and head to the Settings app. You can find this app on your home screen or in the app's drawer. Once you're in Settings, look for the Connections option. Tap on it. Here you will see several connectivity options. Select Bluetooth. Bluetooth is the technology that allows your phone to wirelessly connect to other devices. It's essential for using a wireless mic. Once you're in the Bluetooth settings, make sure Bluetooth is turned on. You may see a toggle switch at the top of the screen. Slide it to the right if it's not already on. Your phone will start to search for nearby Bluetooth devices. This is where you'll connect your microphone. Look at the list of available devices and find the name of your microphone. It should appear here. If you don't see it immediately, wait a few seconds. Bluetooth devices sometimes take a moment to show up. Once you see the device name, tap on it. This step is crucial because it initiates the pairing process, allowing your phone to communicate with the microphone. After tapping the device name, a prompt may appear asking you to confirm the pairing. Press pair to complete the connection. You might hear a small beep from the mic or see a confirmation message on your phone. This tells you that the connection was successful. You are now ready to use your microphone with your phone. With the microphone connected, open your preferred recording app. This could be a voice memo app, video recording app, or any app that uses a microphone. Check the app settings to ensure the Bluetooth mic is selected as the audio input source if necessary. This ensures you're using the best available audio. Once the app is open, start a recording or test the microphone to make sure everything is working. Speak into the mic and check the audio levels on your device. You should notice an improvement in sound quality compared to the built-in mic. This step confirms that your setup is correct and ready to use for any recording task. Remember, using a Bluetooth mic can greatly enhance your audio quality. It provides clear sound without the clutter of cables, making your recordings more professional. If you encounter any issues, double-check the microphone battery and ensure it's within range of the phone. And there you have it. You've successfully connected a wireless microphone to your Samsung phone. This process makes sure your audio is crisp and clear, ideal for podcasts, videos, or any other recording needs. Thank you for watching, and happy recording.